No more. Send me kiss me. I will wear. ID number. Hello. ID number. Message me, baby. Kiss me. Send kiss me. ID number. Can you message me, baby? I message you ID number. Yes, kiss me, baby. Bumpy stone. Love you, sexy lady. What you mean? Kiss me. Dingo, let's go, Dingo. Check my message ID number. What's your name? Is that your name, Bumpy Stone? Bumpy. Let's go no more. And Dingo, where are you, Dingo? Can I select what? What select? Babe, hi. Cowboy. Yeah, like that, baby. Like that, baby. So I can send you now my number. Or send your, I will add you. Message me here. Dingo. Message me now. I send you my number. Okay? Do you have? Yes, cowboy, I have. If you want, send me gifts. Send me gifts now. Wait, guys, I'm gonna go pee. I'm so pee. Cowboy, send me gift. Okay, I will make you happy, cowboy. And then I will send you my... Yes, Dingo. Check my message, Dingo. Bigo message. Check message here. Because I already sent you my number, Dingo. You can see here the icon of message. Do you have a red? Do you see a red icon? A red notification? Check here. You will see my message there. Okay? Cowboy.